Welcome to Laliland.
Tonight we're laughing, tonight we're loving, tonight we sparkle, tonight we dance alone, and together we go high.
Good morning, everybody. It's the morning of MegaCon. Welcome to Laliland. I'm going to show you the breakfast here at Cabana Bay. Good morning, ladies. How's your breakfast? They show old commercials and a whole bunch of different stuff. I love it. I'll always love the vibe here. The seating areas are huge here at the Bayliner Diner. It's quick service. You go up and get your own food, but there's tons of seating all the way through. And note to self, get down here early because the lines get really long. Croissants look so good here. And you can get oatmeal, ham and cheese croissants, warm cinnamon roll. It's normally the pizza station. This is what I got. I got the breakfast combo. I didn't eat the potatoes, but bacon and sausage and biscuit and eggs, scrambled eggs. You can get a side of everything. And they do have the gravy for sausage gravy for the biscuits. They have waffles. And this is the popular station here. They have create your own omelets. You have a side of bacon or potatoes. And I didn't even see this one. This is where you can get the pancakes. You can get some kids meals. You can get French toast. And again, eggs and bacon and sausage are everywhere, but there's the French toast. You got fresh fruit over here. You got some fresh yogurt with a bunch of different berries. That's exciting, all the berries. And I'll show you guys my favorite part. Oh, they have to-go containers everywhere. My favorite part that I keep resisting. There it is. Oh, Krispy Kreme. They have some quick to-go stuff. Bunch of cereals. I guess the toppings are for the frozen yogurt bar. You can get the Cabana Bay souvenir cup to refill while you're here. They have the whole gluten-free section over here. And overall, I was very impressed with the quality of the food. The breakfast was really, really, really good. So I will show you at some point. I'll show you what they have for dinner time or lunch or whatever I'm here to show you. I'll show you. Going back up to the room now, and I'm getting ready for MegaCon. Guys, since I didn't get a chance to show you this earlier, I wanted to show you to give you the VO5 and the Zest, since it's a 60s theme hotel. Showers, you know, basic shower. We got one sink here. We got a sink here with all our toiletries, and then you have your toilet in a separate room.
And walk around in bed.
Testing out her shoes for tomorrow. We have a bed here, guys. Sorry, it's the end of the night, and I'm just trying to show you guys a bed here. Some dresser drawers there, and one here. There's plenty of outlets. And we took all the mattresses off and everything of the other stuff. But so we have one TV here. We have our closet here. It's a big walk-in closet. And then when you come from here, there's the bathroom stuff. Nikki already made her bed up for in here for tonight. Elaine said she wants to get this for her home. We have another TV here. 2 chairs. And then my favorite part is this little area. And you got we have all our stuff everywhere, but you got the stools here. We got this cabinet here for garbage. And the fridge. So that's just a basic room tour. Since my camera didn't work earlier, I'm gonna show it to you this way. Here is the Bayliner Diner. Let's see what they have in here. chicken fingers, French fries, more snacks on this side, and over there we have the gluten-free section of stuff. Ices, I miss ices. Frozen yogurt goodness. Salad bar. All the to-go boxes, the bowls for the salad. Let's see, we got strawberry lemonade sorbet. Oh, New York cheesecake. And vanilla and chocolates. And I guess they weigh them. Some top, oh gosh. This vacation, because it's hot out, it's making me want that. And then we have, oh goodness. I want the Krispy Kreme.